use AI to help you with your homework, writing, or studying English? Probably yes. And to be honest, that is not a bad thing. Artificial intelligence is becoming part of university life, especially for students in the English as a foreign language major. We use it to check grammar, practice pronunciation, organize ideas, or even understand difficult readings faster. The real question is not if we should use AI. The real question is how we should use it. Using AI ethically means using it to learn, not to let it think for you. Imagine asking AI to explain a grammar rule or to help you improve your essay draft. That can actually make you be a better English student. But if AI writes your entire assignment and you submit it without changing anything, are you really learning? Probably not. And there is another problem. AI is not always correct. Sometimes it invents information, gives biased answers, or makes mistakes that sound convincing. That's why critical thinking still matters. As university students, you can't believe everything a chatbot says. Teachers are not expecting perfection from you. They want to see your ideas, your voice, or your progress. Mistakes are part of learning a language. Copying everything from AI only slows that process down. AI should be a tool like a dictionary or a tutor or a study partner, not a replacement for your efforts. At the end of the day, technology will continue changing education. But responsibility, honesty, and creativity will always be human skills. So, use AI wisely. Learn from it, question it, but most importantly, keep thinking for yourself.